The EASTORM small folding table is a compact 2-foot table that folds into a slim, briefcase-style shape with a built-in handle, making it easy to carry for camping, tailgating, or apartment living. Despite its very light weight of about 4 pounds, the metal frame and mesh top feel sturdy in use and are designed to resist rust and bad weather. The adjustable legs let you choose between a low coffee table style height and a higher side table height, so it works for ground seating, grilling, or as a small work surface. Its tabletop size is well suited for 1 or 2 people, comfortably holding a portable grill or a simple meal setup without feeling cramped. Setup is quick because you just unfold the frame and lock the top flat, yet it can still support a surprisingly solid load for such a small table. When not in use, it stores easily in a closet, car trunk, or recreational vehicle thanks to its short length and narrow folded thickness, which is ideal for anyone with limited space.